turn to Our Lady, Help of Christians, a title cherished by Saint John Bosco, who taught that Mary never ceases to remember her children and offers her perpetual help in every sorrow, temptation, and need. This devotion is one that resonates deeply with us Filipinos across our islands, whether in a quiet barangay chapels, bustling city parishes, or the humble homes of families who pray the rosary each night. Mary's presence is felt as a mother who protects, guides, and intercedes. Like Saint John Bosco, we believe that she walks with us through our trials, storms, and uncertainties, always leading us closer to her Son. Tonight, we join countless Filipino devotees who call upon her with trust and